Okay, what's up, y'all? So I told y'all that we bought a new house and that we're in a house. So we're in the kitchen at the new house. Looks crazy. We got stuff everywhere. I told y'all that I had surgery, so I'm in a wheelchair. Cause I can't do much walking. Can't really do any walking at all. I don't know what I'm saying. So right now we're working on a project. She's laughing at me. Working on a project. We debating on what we should buy, what we should refurbish, what we can repaint, and different stuff like that. So the first project that we are working on is our kitchen appliances, and we got this kit, and it's called. I'll turn this around if I can. Can I turn this around? I don't know if I can, but anyway, see it, liquid stainless steel. And so the first project that we're gonna do is turn this around so you guys can see it. Our dishwasher. We got it taped off. We cleaned it off with the box says to clean it off with Windex. So we wiped it down with Windex. Got it taped off real good. About to apply the base coat per the instructions, and then the top coat to turn the dishwasher to stainless steel. First time doing this. Don't even know anybody who's done this. So the kit was like $24.99. It comes with the two base coat, top coat paint, and a little brush. Now it tells you to use a roller and all this stuff. That stuff does not come with it. The only reason why we have a roller is because we actually got the kit to do the refrigerator too. So you see our refrigerator is white. We're going to turn that stainless steel. And then she's also prepped the stove, which is also white. She has like the little blue tape on there, and we wiped it down with Windex and everything. So we're going to do that too. Probably what we'll do is start out by showing you what we showed you. And then once we get it all done, we'll come back and show you guys the finished product. So I'll just kind of skim around the room and show you guys the kitchen, because we obviously are going to do a lot of updates in this kitchen and trying to do them on a budget, because if anybody knows, after you buy a house, the last thing you want to do after you buy a house is drop another buttload of money, because you've already dropped a buttload of money and you are obligated to a whole nother buttload of money. Oh my goodness. And my hair looks terrible. I've been in the house recuperating. I haven't had a haircut in over a month. That's for another video. Anyway, I'm gonna skim around the kitchen so you guys can see. You saw the refrigerator, you see all the tags on the cabinets, because we gotta get hardware for that, getting that new taking down the blinds up there, different stuff. So this is kind of like the kitchen area that we are going to do some work on or whatever. And so stay tuned. We're gonna get back with you for the stainless steel paint update. Peace. Crystal, you want to say something?
No.
She wants to say no. Okay. Bye.